Same Grand Rapids Police Department that sent K9 unit to maul biker and shot him 4 times. Does this to a passenger in Michigan?
Bro, why y'all?
Get off of me, bro.
Chill, bro. Just let him take you. Chill. Okay, I'm
record that shit.
Yo, what the?
I'm gonna sue you out.
Keep your hands
You
right
just
where
punched
they
me,
are.
okay?
Bro.
Punch me one more time. Punch me.
Yo, stop.
He just punched me for no fucking.
Yo, why y'all
I'm
doing
not even
that?
driving, bro.
Why y'all doing that? Y'all don't gotta do that, bro. What the?
Bro, my finger's broken.
Hey, yeah, his fingers fucked up.
Reach towards him. Keep your hands right.
Bro, for what though? Okay, just tell me for what?
You're under arrest.
For what
For
though?
what? I'm not even driving.
Bundle under his knees. Get a good
I'm
wrap
not
under his
driving
knees.
though.
You guys
Hey, what the
Oh, yeah,
fuck?
just
Get a
record
good
that
wrap
shit.
under
Bro,
his knees.
why y'all punching him?
I'm gonna sue you.
Yo, why y'all doing that? Yo. Bro, why y'all do that, bro?
What do I do? For what?
Why y'all do that?
Yep. 12, we have an officer injury here. I'll take that.
What do you have on you?
Nothing.
We don't have anything illegal, bro. We just trying to get home.
Sue you because I didn't do that. And he punched me. Okay, but what
I
did I
did
do?
too, because we had
Okay, just tell me what did I do though?
He did tell you.
What did he tell me?
You went
Bro.
You need your ID.
Just for ID, you punched me in the face?
Your hands
Yeah, when you resist arrest.
keep filming. You're good.
We just kicked him out.
Yep. Hang on. Throw your hands right on top of your head for me. Put your phone right